Mercedes-Benz check engine warning light. Dashboard lights can be confusing and worrisome. There's so many of them. What do they all mean? Don't worry, they are not all bad. We made this video to help you understand the meaning. How do warning lights work? When you start your car, you will notice the lights on the dash come on all together. This is to check that all the bulbs and connected components are working as they should. These should turn off after a few seconds, but if one or more stay illuminated, it is to warn of potential problem. Warning lights can also come on whilst driving. If this happens, depending on the color and icon displayed, you may have to pull over and investigate at your first safe opportunity to do so. An orange or yellow dashboard warning light means the engine management system, the computer running the engine, has detected a malfunction. You can continue to drive a car with an orange dashboard warning light, but you should visit your local service center as soon as possible for diagnosis and repair. Mercedes-Benz check engine warning light. When the check engine warning light flashes up, it's often paired by telltale signs that the engine is not working properly, such as a lack of power or stuttering as you press the accelerator. This warning could indicate a range of faults, from minor issues to a much larger mechanical issue. How long can I drive with my check engine light on? Ideally, you should get it checked as soon as you can, as by continuing to drive you risk causing further, potentially irreparable damage to your engine. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.